Good morning, students. That we are discussing the topic. Very good. Similar triangles. Okay. Right. In this topic, we completed example 13 yesterday in the previous video. Okay. Now we are going to do this in page number 218. So page number 218. Do this. So observe carefully. The first question is, in triangle ACB, okay, in triangle ACB, angle C is 90 degrees. I take the triangle in this manner. In triangle ACB, angle C is 90 degrees and CD perpendicular to AB. So let I draw CD perpendicular to AB. Don't bother about the figure given in the textbook for you, okay. In the examinations, they don't give you the figure. So if they give you the information, you must be able to draw the figure according to the information. Okay, Nana? Right. So in triangle ABC, so what is given to us? ACB is a triangle. Angle C is equal to 90 degrees. CD line segment perpendicular to AB line segment. Okay, right. What is asked to prove here? Required to prove. So what is that? BC square by AC square. BC square by AC square is equals to BD by AD. BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. Okay, right. See, whenever you see such type of figure, you must be very clear to identify the theorem which we discussed before Pythagoras theorem. You remember? The theorem which we discussed before Pythagoras theorem. Okay, what is the theorem? If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle to the hypotenuse, it divides the triangle into two triangles which are similar to the original triangle. Okay, according to the theorem. So I give you the number 8.7. So in the proof we write proof by theorem 8.7. You can mention the number. By theorem 8.7, see, I take the triangle ACD or ADC. Okay, triangle ADC is similar to triangle ACB, similar to triangle ACB. Okay, if you want, you can draw the figure here. Okay, I am drawing the figure ADC. This is ADC, where D is the 90 degrees, and another one I take ACB 90 degrees. You can see that angle D is equal to angle C, which are 90 degrees, and angle A is equal to angle A, which are common angle. So by A similarity, you can say that these two triangles are similar. Now we want here AC square. So what is AC here? See, it is the hypotenuse. The same here hypotenuse AB. Therefore AC by AB is equal to, here AD, here corresponding is AC. So you take AD by AC. Now make the cross multiplication. What do you get? AC into AC, that is AC square, is equal to AD into AB. Okay, this is equation 1. Now we come to the next one. We want BC square. So take the second triangle. Similarly, in triangle BDC and triangle BCA, both are similar Nana. Okay, the same manner we can take the triangle here BDC and the main triangle as BCA. Here angle B is equal to angle B and D is equal to C. You can say that these two triangles are similar according to, very good, A similarity, right Nana? Now tell me the ratios what we require. You want BC square. So take BC here. BC is the hypotenuse. Similar to BC, what is here? BA or AB. So you can write BC by AB is equal to, now according to BC here you have BD. So BD by BC. Okay, you make the cross multiplication. BC into BC becomes BC square is equal to BD into AB. This is equation 2. You want here BC square in the numerator and AC square in the denominator. So take 2 by 1. Okay. Now we get 2 by 1. So what is 2 for you? BC square by, and here AC square is equal to what is here? BD into AB by what is here? AD into AB. You can cancel AB in both sides. So you get BC square by AC square is equal to BD by AD. Did you understand, everybody? Right. This is your first question in the do this. Right. We come to the second question, Nana. The second question, you have to read the question, observe the question. In the do this second question we are discussing now. What is the question given there to us? Yeah, a ladder. A ladder 15 meters long reaches a window. See, there is a ladder. The ladder is 15 meters long. Reaches a window which is a height of 9 meters above the ground. Okay, 9 meters above the ground. On one side of the street. So, this is a street. On one side of the street there is a building. Okay, here is the window for the building. And this ladder 15 meters height, it reaches the window which is 9 meters above the ground. Now you see, keeping its foot at the same point. So the foot is placed at the same point. Suppose you think this one as the ladder. So the foot is placed at the same point and this ladder is moved to the other side. Okay, Nana? Its foot is not changed. I am not changing this point. It is keeping at the same position. Okay. Now the height of the other window on the other side of the street, here it is 12 meters. The height is 12 meters. The length of the ladder is not changed, 15 meters, the same. Okay guys, right. Find the width of the street. Width of the street means this is the total street. Okay, you want to find the width of the street. I suppose to take this part as A, B, C and this is D, E. I think you understood. Okay, right. For the second question, come on, tell me what is given. Given AC is equal to EC is equal to length of ladder is equal to 15 meters, BA is equal to 9 meters and CE is equals to DE. DE is equal to 12 meters. Okay. Now BD is equal to width of street. Width of street. Okay. BD is equal to width of the street. Now how do you find that BD? Now BD is the combination of two sides, two parts. What is that? BD is equal to, you can write it as BC plus DC. BD is equal to BC plus DC. Is it clear, Nana? Right. Take this as 1. Now we apply the Pythagoras theorem for this one. By Pythagoras theorem, okay, you can write here BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square, and in the another one CD square is equal to EC square. EC square minus ED square. So BC, you require BC is equal to root of AC is 15 square minus 9 square and CD is equal to root of 15 square minus 12 square. You get root of 225 minus 81 which is equal to root 144 which is equal to 12 meters. And here root of 225 minus 144 which is equal to root 81 that is equal to 9. We want to find BD, therefore BD is equal to width of the street is equal to 12 plus 9 that is equal to 21 meters. Is that clear, everybody? Right. So practice these two questions, these are important questions. We continue in the next video. Bye.